What's the crucial component connecting you and your car to the road? Your tyres. Even modern car tyres can slowly lose pressure over time, affecting tyre wear, grip, and therefore you and your family's safety. Not to mention the risk of prematurely ruining a set of expensive tyres due to incorrect pressure. You need to check them regularly. How do you do that properly? By following our guide. Step 1. Purchase a reliable tyre pressure gauge. Gauges aren't all uniform, and you can't trust the servo's gauge to be accurate or consistent between different servos. Step 2. Ideally check pressures when tyres are cold. Tyres warm up as you drive, which affects the pressure. How much depends on ambient temperature, drive speed, style, etc. Step 3. Remove the cap from the stem. While you're at it, visually check the tyre's sidewall and tread for condition, damage, or anything else that could affect road holding. Step 4. Place the pressure gauge on the valve stem. Some wheel valve combos can make this difficult. In general, keep the gauge opening square to the valve itself, and you shouldn't hear air rushing out of it when reading. Step 5. Read the pressure level. Most gauges read in either PSI or kPa. It doesn't matter which, as long as you have the correct source for the right pressure. Even if your car has onboard pressure readouts, we suggest checking with your separate gauge. Step 6. The manufacturers recommend pressure is the best place to start. Your vehicle's owner manual will have them for your car, or it can be found in your vehicle's door jamb. Note there are various pressures recommended for different scenarios, such as towing or carrying a big load. Step 7. Add or release air as needed. To add air, you need an air compressor or pump at home or go to your closest servo. Remember, rely on your gauge, not the servo pump. Step 8. To release air, often the valve cap can be reversed and used to release the valve. Do not use a small stick or anything else soft and breakable that could damage your valve and leave you with a flatter tyre than you started with. Step 9. Replace the valve stem cap each time you finish a wheel. This cap protects the valve from debris and leakage and also from the valve depressing at speed, creating a slow leak. Step 10. Check all tyres even if they look okay. And don't forget to check the spare. You will thank us later when you need it. There is nothing worse than cracking open the spare to find it flatter than the wheel you want to replace.